Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check the app version and grant storage and network permissions so the widget can read and write files. Once done, pick the source and target folders. Make sure there's enough free space and correct access rights. Next, create or choose a sync profile and decide whether you'll run it on a schedule or manually. This early setup prevents common permission and path errors and gets you ready for the configuration steps that follow. Now you configure the sync rules that dictate behavior. You choose the sync direction, one way to mirror, two way to keep both sides updated, and explain why. One way avoids accidental overwrites. Then add exclude patterns, file size, and age filters to reduce unnecessary transfers. After that, set conflict resolution. Keep newest, prompt, or preserve both, and bandwidth limits so sync won't saturate your network. These precise settings finish by placing the sync task widget on your home screen and linking it to the profile you configured so you can start syncs with one tap. Test with a small file and verify timestamps or checksums to confirm integrity. If everything looks good, schedule regular runs or leave it manual. If a sync fails, check the app logs first, then confirm permissions and network reachability. Often a missing permission or a blocked port is the culprit, and fixing that restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.